My child, today I am touching the places you thought would never heal. Not just the pain in your body, but the wounds in your spirit, the ones you hid behind your smile. I've seen the tears you cried when no one was watching. I've heard the prayers you whispered when you felt too tired to speak. And I tell you now, healing is already moving through you. Every cell, every thought, every memory that once brought pain, I am restoring it with peace. I am replacing sorrow with strength and emptiness with renewal. You don't have to understand how it will happen. You just have to believe that it is happening. For what I begin, I always finish. And I began your healing long before you saw the signs. So lift your head, breathe again. Let today be the day you stop rehearsing pain and start receiving peace. Your healing has already started, and soon the world will see what faith in me can